In this video, we're going to take a look at the Rules Writer dashboard. After logging in, we will click Oregon Admin Rules. Then, if we have multiple chapters assigned to us, we will select the one we are working in. There are three sections of the Rules Writer dashboard. The first is the current chapter rules. This will display all of the divisions that you have assigned to you. The next area is the Rules Work Queue. Any rule drafts will appear here. Down here at the bottom, we have the Filings Final Queue, where you will see notices and permanent filings and other things that have been submitted and approved. Creating rule drafts as a rules writer is very similar to creating a draft as a rules coordinator. We come over here to our current chapter rules, and we can expand a division to view the rules in it. Let's go ahead and start a draft on this rule. We will put the rule action in up here. If we're making any changes to the title, we would do so here. Let's just slightly modify our rule text here. Make sure our statutory references are still good. Put in a simple summary of what we're doing. If we have an attachment, we will need to save our filing, click Select File or Choose File, find the file, and then Upload, and then save our filing again. And then when we're ready, we will click Send. Now what we have done is we've sent this rule draft to the Rules Coordinator. Let's go through that process again and not send it to the Rules Coordinator. We'll click Division 2, Start Draft. I'll make a slight modification to the rule text. I'll put in an example rule summary. And then I'll click Save. So my rule has been saved. I click OK. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and click Return to Dashboard. Now you can see that the draft is here in my Rules Work Queue with a checkbox next to it. So when I'm done with this rule draft and the language, in my opinion, is finalized, I will check this box and then I will click Send to RC, which is your Rules Coordinator. All right, now we can view the rules that we have sent to the Rules Coordinator, but we can't make further changes to them. So we'll click Return to Dashboard. One more thing I want to show you about Rules Writer abilities is the Notes field. So when you're in a rule drafting screen, at the bottom, there's this Notes box. This is not visible to the public or to the Administrative Rules Unit at the Secretary of State's office, but it's a good place for rules writers and rules coordinators to leave each other notes about the rule text. This might be that you have finalized the work or that changes still need to be made to a section of it. Regardless of what the note is, you can leave it here and the rules coordinator will be able to see it. And that's the Rules Writer dashboard.